Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video, I'll take a look at how to use the Avada Recaptcha field element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Avada Recaptcha field element adds Google's reCAPTCHA service to your Avada forms, helping protect them from spam and automated submissions. I'm going to add reCAPTCHA to this form, and so I will add the element directly under the Submit button. For this element to work, you must first configure the reCAPTCHA global options, located at Options, Google reCAPTCHA. So let's start there. The first option is to choose your reCAPTCHA version. As we can see on this document, version 2 verifies requests with a challenge, while version 3 verifies requests with a score. I'll go with version 3. Once you have decided which version you want to use, you must get the appropriate site key for that version. Again, following the links from our docs, you will come to a page where you can create your reCAPTCHA. Once this is done, you will be directed to a page with both your site key and your secret key. Both of these then need to be copied and pasted into your website. Following this is an option called reCAPTCHA Security Score. As the description says, with this option you set a threshold score that must be met by the reCAPTCHA response. The higher the score, the harder it becomes for bots, but also false positives increase. By default, it's set to 0.5. Then comes the reCAPTCHA badge position. The options are inline, bottom left, bottom right, and hide. Inline places it in the form where it is placed, whereas bottom left and right place it outside the form at the bottom of the screen. The hide option hides the element, but as the description notes, Google's terms and privacy information needs to be displayed on the contact form. So if you use this option, you should add them manually on the form somewhere to comply with Google's terms of service. I'll just leave this on inline. Finally, there are two options to turn reCAPTCHA on for user elements, such as the login and user registration, and for comments. Okay, so that's the global options configured, so let's save this and return to the element options. As you can see, there are only a few. With the reCAPTCHA badge position option, you can override your global option for position for this particular form if you like. I'll just leave it on default. There are also the usual CSS class and CSS ID options, but they are generally not needed. Okay, that's it. Let's now head to the page this form displays on, and I'll just refresh it. Here's the form, and we can see the reCAPTCHA badge in the form. As an alternative, Avada also offers the Turnstile element, which is Cloudflare's alternative service. Check that out from the link in the description. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.